Hello everyone, hope you are well. Today we will talk about Samsung Galaxy A06. So let's get started. First of all, we will talk about this phone body. This phone body is a 189 gram display. This phone display is 6.70 inch PLS LCD, 720 into 1600 pixel resolution. Aspect ratio 20.9. Cheapest MediaTek Helio G85 12nm octa-core. Memory 64 GB with 4 GB RAM and 128 GB with 4 GB RAM. OS Android 14 up to 2 major Android up. So you can upgrade your phone. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.8 aperture. So you can expect a good night photography. And depth sensor 2 megapixel with 2.4 aperture. Front camera is 8 megapixel with 2.0 aperture. Video capture. This phone rear camera can capture HD with 30 and 60 fps and front camera can capture HD with 30 fps. Battery. This phone battery is 5000 mAh battery and charging system is 25 watt wired. Connectivity LTE, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 5, fingerprint reader. So overall this phone is nice looking, and if you want to buy this phone you can go with this. So that was the video for today and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.